Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to hide or show notification dots in Facebook. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more test video. Guys, if you also show and hide your Facebook notification dots, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, open your Facebook, then press on your profile icon. Then a little bit scroll down, then press on settings and privacy. Then press on settings. In this, a little bit scroll down. Then you can see here tab bar, open this option. Now you can see here manage notification dot. Choose where you see notification dots on the tab bar. Open this option. You can see here videos marketplace menu. Notification dot will be showing. If you want disable or hide this option, then turn off this option. After disabling this option, notification dot is not showing. That's it guys. So in this you enable and disable notification dots in Facebook. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.